Are you okay, Nikolai? That puppy won't hurt you, I promise. I promise that puppy won't hurt you. He only bites me.
Dear.
What's wrong, Nikolai? Can you get him? Can you get him? Can you get him, Nikolai?
Marvel.
Oh, there he goes. Here's Marvel! Oh boy, holy crap, oh, the doggies go nuts!